Hello guys, I'm Shreyas from ELC channel and today we are going to learn, this is our first video, so today we are going to learn how to make Google Forms. Wait, it's loading. First of all, to make it, we should open Google Chrome and I want to switch the account. Harshit. This one, this is my channel's mail and we should go to, if you have Gmail you will get off in Google Apps only if you scroll it down, and you should go to my drive more. Google Forms. Now the Google form of you will be like this. Form title. The title. The title is GK. Form description. You can write time or anything else. Any rules. Question, you can type the question. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Option 1, Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi and Ramnath Kovind. Now I will write more questions. I'm stopping my video so that you won't get bored. Yes, you can see the name. See, I made many. You'd hear that the answers, no need us to check, it will correct itself. For like that, we should go to settings. We should not do anything. We should make this a quiz and don't press cut. We should press save. See, something new came, answer key here. Now, who is the Prime Minister of India? Narendra Modi. Done. Wait. You can do points here. What is the national game of India? Answer key, hockey, 2 points. Done. Yes. See here. Short answer. Short answer is for name. You should keep the question as name and short answer is press. Paragraph. If the children should write any big paragraph, you should press this. Check box. You would heard check box to check things. Drop down. Drop down is to same to upload file, and these are the two same date and time to set. And this is customize theme, choose theme. Upload means from your computer we can upload. I want to insert this. Let me see. You can get off the picture over here. If you press cut, see this one goes. To change the color, we can change color, and to add color, see like this. Add. We should press when see. It's add. Blue is only nice for me. To change this background, this one you should. Font. See, decorative like this. Formal like this. Playful like this. I'll keep it as basic. And we should cut it to preview. Wait, it's coming. GK. Preview means how the students will write. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Narendra Modi. Who is the national game of India? What is the national game? India is hockey. Submit. View score. See, you get this both answers correct. Responses. Without telling this, see, like this you will get. I think it will be hard. This one will be little easy for you all, and this one will be more easy than that. See, like this it will be. To make a Excel sheet and see it, we should press this one. This is the symbol of Excel. You would know it. And to send it to anyone. Copy link. First, we can send it to mail, but it will not come nice. I want to send this one. Copy. It is copied to clipboard. Wait. Yes. Now I open my WhatsApp web. See, you would know that I copied the link. And wait, I'm sending to my mother. Copy and paste. See, here, if you would do many links, see, Google Forms. If it will be like this, it's a Google form. Sending it through WhatsApp. You can send it through Gmail, or sometimes you can send in Zoom chat box too, and it will write. Wait. See now, in my phone, you can see that what I sent, Google form, it's opening. Wait. See, the Google form. GK. See, what all I pressed, only in the phone it's coming. Narendra Modi. See, Narendra Modi is the correct answer. What is the national game of India? Hockey. And here in phone you'll get the submit button. You should press this. And see, like same like computer, only the phone is too. See, you can see. Okay, everything is right. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, subscribe our channel and like the video, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications. What all video will do, you can get it. Thank you for watching the video.